Hello, I'm Charlotte Anthony. I work for Shein and I'm head of the brand experience for the UK. Shein is an online global business that trades with 150 countries. This is part of a larger campaign for the UK. What we'd really like to get out of this campaign is just expanding the reach and reaching new Shein customers. We're doing that up and down the country this year. This is one of our 4 bus tours. As we engage so much with our customers within the UK, we're always looking for the next thing that's disruptive and really creative. Promohire really helped us combat that with screen prints and then the operational side. When you're running a retail pop-up in a small space, you have to think of those small logistics behind the scenes, such as sourcing a support vehicle, ensuring that we have the right EM on site, and they've been the perfect partner to support us on that.
The summer Airstream you see here is our 3rd activation for Shein. We converted this specifically for Shein, including a single section Goldwing opening that runs the length of the trailer. We worked with Shein from initial design right through to completion, taking their ideas and mood boards and coming back with detailed technical drawings and visual sketches for their approval.
We started working with Promohire last year. We did a Christmas campaign with them. We actually found them on a Google search, but we went down for a face-to-face meeting. Like loads of people don't really do that anymore after COVID. And we actually really got to see what they were about. Our ethos at Shein is we work with the end supplier. We run our events in-house and Promohire really offered that partnership.
Here at Promohire, we don't outsource our projects. Everything we do is in-house, including design, build, branding and logistics. This allows us to stay agile, meaning we can rapidly respond to the very short lead times that often come our way.
The best thing about Promohire is how they have such an extensive team. They were really able to help us source our locations with ensuring that we were engaging with the large high footfall areas, spaces that were relevant, but also the fact that we were able to be mobile. What we really liked was that we were covering a different city each day, and then we were able to ensure that projects like the Airstream, that we got an area where the public were able to see. We've had support vehicles, we've had an extensive team here. They've really been incredibly supportive, and we felt that it's made this Airstream a huge success for us over the last 3 days. I would say that the vehicle is the absolute essential element to making this a success. In terms of the aesthetic, it's really, really eye-grabbing. It's fun, it's creative, and it's a new way that's going to be disruptive for the consumer that's not a full-on shop. I would say that it's been the most essential part to making this campaign successful. Promhire have literally been the perfect partner. We have a long campaign this year with them going. This is the 3rd project that we've done with them to date. We've previously done an Easter bus and a Christmas bus. We've now done our summer Airstream, and then we have our Halloween bus and our 2023 December bus coming up. We really feel that this is a great way to reach customers up and down the country, and they have been a perfect partner for us.